in the Philippines poses a significant challenge, with millions of tons of food discarded, either harvested or produced. The amount of food wasted every day is equivalent to estimated weight of 154 buses. Despite being a country where millions suffer hunger and malnutrition, food wasted remain rampant due to factors such as improper managing and inadequate storage of products. Food service industry is considered to be one of the largest and most profitable sectors in the Philippines. And our urgent concerns of food service is food waste. The food is too precious to be wasted.
Food waste tracker is a realization that we set into two from the people. It's a smart tracker camera that sets on top where the food is thrown away. It can detect the trash can through various methods. One common approach is using sensors installed either within or near the trash can. The sensors can detect when the trash can lid is open or when an item is discarded into it. Additionally, some advanced systems may utilize computer vision technology, where cameras are positioned to monitor the trash can area and detect when waste is being disposed of.
Food waste tracker technology enables chefs to monitor inventory in real time, tracking food items as they are used or discarded. This data reveals consumption patterns, aiding chefs in adjusting purchasing decisions to reduce overstocking and ensuring ingredients are used before spoiling, thus cutting costs. Additionally, food waste trackers provide insights into ingredients usage and expiry dates, allowing chefs to plan menus more efficiently. By strategically using available ingredients and minimizing waste, kitchen enhance overall efficiency and profitability.